Greetings and welcome to the channel. This is the spring update on Chivers kits. So let's dive in and see what's happening. So the first bit of news we've got for you is, yes, we are going back to the name Chivers Finelines. Back when my father semi-retired to become a carer for his wife, the business was split between me and my brother, and he started Slim Rails and I started 579. And the business was shared out and we both did our little bits separately. Obviously now the business is completely back together and under one name. So we're going back to Chivers Finelines and I'm quite excited about it. We are in the process of building a brand new website which is going to make it a lot easier for purchasing on cards, credit cards and such thing. You'll still be able to purchase things via PayPal. It's just going to be a bit more smoother than the system that we have right now. So keep your eyes for that being launched very soon. So news from the workshop. Engage. The Blue Spot fish fan is just about to be released. We've just got to put the instructions in and they are ready to purchase, so keep your eye out for those on the website. In double O gauge we have produced everything that the original catalogue had on the plastic kits. The 6-wheel underframe kit that's advertised on the website is imminent. That's literally it. I just need to take some pictures and whatnot and get it up onto the website and it's ready to go. That will not have instructions and it will not have the castings. You are just going to be getting the plastic parts from the fish fan. So keep your eye out for that. I will post images and stuff on the social media and across the forums that needs be. ON30, we are slowly chipping away at manufacturing all the parts for the 20-foot series. We still have the tank car in the short series to do. It is coming. Obviously there's lots of things happening and there's only me. I've only got one pair of hands, so some things do take quite a lot of time. But things are coming, they will come. Now, the reason you've not seen any etch brass or the white metal series of locomotives is literally due to the fact that the cost of brass has gone through the roof and the cost of white metal has shot up to astronomical prices, and we are really trying not to put that on you, the customer. So what we have decided is to just hold off and see if prices do drop and do come down, and if they do then we will get a supply of everything and get stuff produced. I know that people are desperate for stuff, but you've also been really patient, so thank you very much and thank you for the understanding that, you know, we don't want to push that price onto you. We want to try and keep prices fair and reasonable for everybody, so please bear with us. We are keeping our eye on prices of everything that we have to buy in. So not only are we producing the old kits and getting the rest of the catalogue back into stock, we are also working on brand new tooling. Yes, I have been under an apprenticeship with the man himself, teaching me all the ins and outs and all the black arts of producing the tooling. We have new kits coming in various scales, so if you don't get what you're expecting first, don't panic. There could be something literally around the corner for you. So with that said, would you like a new kit? So back in 2013 we released a kit called the Tramway Coach, which was based on the Innisfail tramway, and it's been a very successful and popular coach, and a huge thanks to all those that have built them and commented on how nice they are. We thought it'd be really nice to make something else to go along with it. So here it is. This is RC811, the H-Wagon, which is, yes, again, based on the Innisfail Open Wagon. This is completely brand new tooling on the body, and this requires 6.2mm wheels and couplings to complete. On the examples you see here, we've used the Graham Farish Engage spoked wagon wheels. It does come with the brass screws to attach the bogies onto the body. And this kit is priced at £10 and is available now on our website. The link, it will be in the description. You didn't think we were finished with just one new kit, did you? This is RC 812 round end open bogie wagon. This is based on the Innisfail open sides, but instead of having flat tops, this one has round tops. And again, this requires 6.2mm wheels and couplings to complete. Brass screws are included to attach the bogies again, and this one also is priced at £10 and is available right now on the website. And as you could see, these go really well with the Bachmann Baldwin. So there we go, what a roundup. New kits, new tooling on the underway, new website being developed, all sorts of exciting things. This is now the official channel for the Chivers Finelines brand, so make sure you click the subscribe button, because we're going to try and do more updates and more information on the kits and products and all sorts in the future. And don't forget to give it a like, and we'll see you next time. Stay safe. Laters.